rise to my feet to make ends meet. Ain't no way out, I gotta conquer one day at a time. I don't really mind, gotta claim what's mine. You know always shine. I'm steady on the grind, feeling too alive. That's how we ride. Can't nobody compete, all eyes on me. Never need no time, always on the grind, taking care of my family. Ain't no time for sleep, pocket steady climbing. Used to doubt me, yeah, you see me shining. Said I wouldn't make it far, now I live like a rock. Gotta steady up forward, yeah, I'm popping like a knock. Gotta make that dough, everywhere that I go. Got a city on top, with my top down low. Look at my face, I ain't got time to waste. Chasing that glory, they ain't on my story. Pain in my eyes, sticking to the real deal. Blood on my hands, no time to unwind with the money on my mind. Stay strong, never asking why. Making it till I reach the sky. I'll remain tough, gotta watch me ball, and I give it my all. Now I'm standing tall, you ain't gon' watch me fall. Ain't no delay, I'm making my way. No time for play, I gotta grind all day. Gotta hustle for mine, I got the system in the sweep. Trust you just run deep, that ain't what I ain't. This ain't no place for a saint. Aiming for gold, yeah, story untold. I can't fake this, I gotta make it real when I make this. Keep my head high, had to get to a pedestal. Now I'm on a new level, with a change game. Gotta keep my family on my back to keep me sane. Never switching lanes, got no time for distractions. We gon' make it one day, every breath that I take. We're chasing success, we gon' give it our all when we stand real tall. Keep away from the doubt, boy I'm tryna make it out. He ain't never new, it's just me and my crew. I won't back down, I don't give a damn. No time for strife, I gotta make a better life. It's all that I know. Gotta make it big, success, my DNA.